Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp messages, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. No matter what device you have, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. Here are 3 ways to back up your WhatsApp messages. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings at the bottom right. Once you're there, tap on Chats and then choose Chat Backup. WhatsApp has a built-in feature that automatically backs up all your conversations. I have mine set to weekly and include videos. All you need to do is hit backup and it will start backing up all your messages and chats. As you can see, it's backing up 124 megabytes right now. Another option within WhatsApp is export chat. If you want to back up a specific conversation, just tap on the chat, then select attach with media. It will start exporting, and you can send the file to an email address or save it directly to your phone's files. Now, for the third option, let's back up through your phone's settings. Open Shoot Settings. Tap your name at the very top and go to iCloud. Scroll down to Apps using iCloud and tap Show All. Find WhatsApp at the bottom of the list, and if it's not toggled on, turn it on. This will use your iCloud to back up all your WhatsApp messages. That's it for today. I hope this helps you keep your WhatsApp messages safe and sound. If you have any questions or need further help, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.